Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix turn off aeroplane mode to make a call problem on Android. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. First check and turn off your aeroplane mode is off. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Tap on connection and sharing. Scroll down. Click on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Network and Bluetooth connection. Tap on Reset Setting. Reset your network. Again tap on System Apps Updater. Make sure your system apps is up to date. You can follow all of the steps to fix turn off aeroplane mode to make a call problem on Android. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.